Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to add sound in Figma Protopie. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, we're going to go to figma.com and open the project that you want to add a sound to. Simply click on this button right here, and then on Plugins and Widgets, add the SoundKit plugin. This will show you a list of pre-made sounds and samples that you can use on your project. And if you want to insert a new sound, audio, or video, simply click here and browse for the audio or video that you want to add. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!